Hi all, my name is Jibardhan Patel and I am a FileMaker developer and working in Mindfire solutions. This is a second video which is related to the first video of mine, uh, the agenda topic part that to create a new database solution for a novice, for a person or user who do not have any experience creating a FileMaker solution. So this is only a simplest of the database creation only, and this involves quite a small technique only how to create a simple database, and different other techniques which are involved in the FileMaker are not shown in this video. This is only a simple video for a person who is new to the FileMaker segment, who is new to the FileMaker and wants to develop a simple FileMaker database. So on the screen I want to click this FileMaker 13 Pro Advanced icon. There are other icons over here. FileMaker 12 Advanced also is present. I want to create a FileMaker 13 Advanced solution. So I am double clicking it. It's opening, it's taking time. This window will open. Well, it's taking time, yeah. It is going on. Yeah, it has opened now. So after clicking on this FileMaker 13 icon on the desktop, I have been navigated to a separate window, and this window is generally used for creation of a solution. So now a window is opened. This is the FileMaker quick start window, and here you can see in blue label create a new database, convert an existing file, and use a starter solution. You can use a starter solution to get a look on how this already structured FileMaker database works. But I want to create a new database, so you can create a new database from this label. And there are also a list of the recent files which has been created, which has been opened on this FileMaker 13 window. So I want to create a new database, so I will have to close this window, and then on the file menu click on the new database. I want to name it as sales management system. And it will be saved on desktop. So after I have created this database, we can see it in the screen that automatic theme has been changed to enlightened, and a layout has been created. This is the layout, and this is the browse window. This is the layout, and you can see it. Okay, on the manage database part, you can see it that a table has been created in the name of sales management system, which was given earlier as the name of the database. So I want to change this name. I can delete it even, but I have renamed this table as sales, and I will create another table as line items. Okay, these are the two tables I have created, and I shall create now the fields. So every sales record will have a unique sales ID, to represent it as a primary key. So I have created a sales ID and given its type uh, as number, and had given auto enter serial to 1, as I'll make it not modifiable on the layout. And sales description, the text type, amount, number type. There are also other types being mentioned over here: text, number, date, time, timestamp. Container used to save binary data in the like PDF or images or videos. A calculation field is used to put a calculation on the field, and summary field is used to get a summary of a number of records. These are my three fields which are created for the sales table. And line item, I shall create one primary key for line item. Line item ID is of course a number, and I will make it auto enter serial number. And I shall also create sales ID, and this is the foreign key which will be related to the sales table. And then quantity, and then price, and then total price. Total price will be a calculation field, and this is quantity into price. So I have created two tables, and for that two tables, two layouts has been created on this part, and field are actually displayed on this layout part, and I want to display field on this sales. FileMaker only provides this drag and drop, point and click usually, and there is less number of coding steps in the creation of a database or a solution. Okay, I want to create record. We see amount, no amount, new record. Okay, so I've created 3 records for the sales, and I shall create record for the sales item. Sales item I'm making it 1, and this quantity 2, price is 200. 200 into 2, that will come 400 over here, as is a calculation field. So by this mechanism we can create a number of records. So I want to create a portal. Nothing is there, so I want to this and this to be sales ID. This is the relationship part, The FileMaker would do relationship like this. Line item, and I want to show everything. None of the field has appeared. Let me manually put it. Okay, taking time creation of this portal. Okay, for sales ID 2 and 3 there are no line items involved. For sales ID 1 there are 2 line items are present. So this is a simple design by which you can create a record on the tables, give its type. I can do it. I can create a portal and can show the related record on it. This is a simple design. A more complex design involves use of this tools from this thing. You want to create button or want to create pop-up work, I want to create chart, web viewer, put a text, line, object. This is all involved in the layout part. And if you want to put some and some functions or some other process to be done while creation, while opening this database, then you can put it over here. Like file options when for the sales management system, when login, how do you want this file to be open, through which account, spelling, text part, script trigger on first window open, which script will be run. You can create a number of script like this, create empty script, and script window has been opened, and these are the number of script steps which are present for a script. These are the script steps, and for each and there are also other functions being present. These are the functions by which the script steps can be manipulated. These are lesser in number. They are less number of coding steps as compared to other databases. So by use of this scripts, you can put scripts over here on this layout part. You can view it as a form view, list view, or table view, or the printing parameters, or give it script trigger to the layout. And security parameter can also be given through database security. And through this security part, you can enable one or two more account. You can put custom privilege set, like this is the full access, this is automatically being created, access to everything. You can put it over here, record you want to show that specific user, specific number of records or layout or value list, that can be appended through the security part. And so this is all how you create a simple database. User can surf around this tools on the layout part and can have a guess on which tool acts in whichever way. But this is the simplest of the thing, like how to create a table, how to create field on it, how to create a portal and see data on it. You can make this field as an entry field or not an entry field. These are an extra layout feature. This is the inspector part, and you can make it as off for the browse mode, so that you cannot edit this sales ID part. You can put this find mode on, and other tabs are also involved, and these are other things which are involved in the inspector as an additional to FileMaker. So this is all the basic things which involve creation of a new database. More complex things are present, and user need to surf around things so that he can get acquainted with more sophisticated things in FileMaker. So the main thing is that FileMaker is very much easy to create, very much easy to learn, and it is also very good form of a solution as far as businesses are concerned. This is all about how we create a simple database, and complex things can be known by surfing around, navigating through different tools, and doing a workaround on all these other things present on the database. But this is the simplest of the part, and hope that this might have helped a user who wants to create a new database. Thank you.